Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix flickering screen on your Vizio TV.
Fix 1. Check the cable connections. Step 1. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the power source. Step 2. Disconnect all HDMI, AV, and other input cables. Step 3. Inspect the cables for damage or loose connections. Step 4. Reconnect the cables securely and turn the TV back on. Fix 2. Change the input source. Step 1. Use your remote to switch to a different input, HDMI to AV, etc. Step 2. If the flickering stops, the issue may be with the original device or cable. Step 3. Try using a different HDMI cable or port. Fix 3. Adjust the picture settings. Step 1. Press the menu button on the remote. Step 2. Go to Settings, Picture, Advanced Settings. Step 3. Reduce backlight, brightness, or contrast slightly. Step 4. Turn off eco mode or motion smoothing if enabled. Fix 4. Power cycle your TV. Step 1. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the wall. Step 2. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Step 3. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 10 to 15 seconds. Step 4. Plug it back in and turn on the TV. Fix 5. Update the TV firmware. Step 1. Press Menu, System, check for updates. Step 2. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 3. Restart your TV.